This is a map of the world. Looking at it makes me want to walk all over it, see new, faraway places, experience new things. Dreaming of everywhere we could go, I think there's one place we often forget. It's our home. So instead of looking at a map of the world, I'll take a map of our tiny little country and go. Bus, train, boat, and we're in a completely new place. Somewhere we've never been. Seelisberg, somewhere we'll probably not return, but it was definitely worth it. It wasn't the most beautiful place we'll ever go. It actually felt like some kind of ghost town. Lots of lost, abandoned places and typewriters on the road. It was also extremely cold, and the boat only ran every 3 hours, so we ended up having to wait quite a while, but we found a lake, all to ourselves. That was really pretty. Everything together was exactly what made it exciting. It's what made it memorable, because we didn't know what to expect. I think that's what travel is all about. We just set out for fun without any particular reason besides the fact that we never heard of this place before, and at the end of our trip, we'd had an exciting day of travel, even if it only took us an hour to get there. There is so much around us to explore, so much to see right where we are, so turn a direction you wouldn't usually, go through a door you usually wouldn't acknowledge. That's what makes life interesting. It's what takes you to places like Seelisberg and makes such trips unforgettable.